Hey, tonight we gonna explore this style. Good for 1 year use wallet tracker. So basically, it's very thin, almost as thin as a credit card. So I use a blunt knife. I scarified the edge, the glue, and this is what I discovered right here. So you can see this is the battery, which is extremely thin. So you can see it's 3 volts, CF104851. So it's ultra thin. Well, I've seen some YouTube videos on replacing the batteries of these guys, but first of all, it's hard to find, and number two, based on replacing cell phone batteries before, it can be extremely dangerous. These things can burn and burn yourself or burn the house. So let's not do that. So basically, when you press this guy here to page, so that's it. This is like just an exploration, not a fixed project. I ordered a new one. When you're a Tile subscriber, you load it in your app, and they know you've purchased one for about $40 plus tax, and then subsequent ones you get almost $24, so you like a $16 discount, good for a year. I wanted to purchase the extra one, which is solar powered, but it's about $50 plus the shipping was 54 plus tax, and you'll never know those how durable those guys are. So for now I'm gonna stick with Tile, because I have other Tile the tiles. Again, just look for my keys as well, car keys, and other keys for traveling. But this is pretty much for a wallet. That's pretty much it for the video. Thanks for watching.